Say hi. Ain't you a little cutie? Ain't you a little cutie? Come here. There you go. Neat. Let's see. There you go. Here's a cutie pie. Say hi. Wait, let me see your cutie face. Ah, cute face. You want a treat? You just waking up from a nap. You're always sleeping, huh? You're always sleeping. Uh-oh, don't get into that. Don't get into that stuff, Mushu. Mushu. Ah, you're so nice. You're so sweet. Hey. Come here. Say hello. Sit. You don't want to sit. You don't want to sit. That was my first time having an English bulldog. He is 3 months old. And yeah, so far, I mean, we got him when he was already 3 months, so I'm training him to potty train, and we got him a couple weeks ago. He has a heart murmur as well when we bought him, and so far pretty good. His heart murmur seems like it's going away. That's what the vet said. But he's just a cutie. This video is gonna be really short, and I'm gonna keep everybody updated. Hopefully this cutie can get some followers. And yeah. Say bye, Mushu. Mushu. Say bye. Ah, they're chewing on me, huh?